Although it doesn't seem like it, our adage at the bar sets us up for a lot of our Allégro workout center, specifically our Grand Allégro. So the movements and the strength building and control that we gain by practicing the movements slow, that helps to correct some of our movements, and again, that gives us the strength and the power and the drive through for when we do them faster. So certain things where we go through a développé or we need to really lift for our grand battements and get suspended in the air, that all stems from our adage work in conjunction with some of our other steps. It's not just one thing that sets us up. But the adage gives us the control, it gives us the length, it gives us the height, and it can also set us up for our prep work. So being able to do different types of intro where we may have a prep with like our fondue and we rise it up with the développé, that gives us the oomph to get into some of our Grand Allégro work. That's our control. That gives us, again, the power to be able to leave the ground. Hopefully, this kind of helps make a bit more sense and see why it's so important to be so well-rounded with all of the work that we do at the bar. It's not just one thing that can help us get to center. We need all of the work that we do at bar. It very much so makes us well-rounded, and it all ties in together to prepare us for our future workout center and in the long term, then choreography. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we talk about some of the challenges that can arise when we are practicing our adage. I will see you then.